This is a true story about cows and compressors. Once upon a time, some ranchers decided they wanted to know when their cows would calf. If the cows gave birth in the mountains, survival rates were lower than if the cows and their babies could get help when needed. The ranchers approached predictive analytics scientists with their problem. Using a GPS chip on each cow and a map of the ranch, scientists were able to observe the daily patterns of the cows. They could see how much time was spent eating, sleeping, and grazing. Predictive analytics software quickly determined that the cows changed their eating patterns 2 days prior to calving. The ranchers can now monitor the cows and tell the cowboys when a specific cow needs to be brought to the birthing barn. Predictive analytics is powerful pattern recognition software with a wide range of application. At Air Liquide, we can use this tool to determine when equipment is operating outside of its predicted range. The software takes into account the current operating points for pressure, temperature, volume, ambient temperature, or any other factors we choose to correlate. It flags any readings not appropriate for today's exact operating model. This is much more powerful than waiting for a fixed set point to alarm. These flags are generated weeks or even months before an eventual failure. In the NEOS project, Air Liquide will roll out predictive analytics to every large industry's location. Master models are created for all major types of equipment, then tied to specific readings in the data historian. 1 year of historical data trains the model. Air Liquide will set up monitoring centres across the globe to monitor and interpret this data. The operating subsidiary SMEs will plan the appropriate response to identified issues and intervene when necessary to prevent major incidents and improve our reliability. If predictive analytics can help with cows and compressors, how can predictive analytics improve your work?